You are not here by accident. Something deeper, older, wiser led you here. You have been searched for, waited for, and loved, long before you even thought to look. I am closer than your breath. Stay. Listen. Let your heart remember the truth you were born to know. In the hour when pain swallowed your voice and when I held you, in the nights where tears felt endless, I caught each one like diamonds. When you were rejected, when you were betrayed, when you were forgotten by those you trusted, I remained. You were never walking through the fire alone. I walked it first barefoot so you would survive it. You think your small choices don't matter, but I see the mornings you choose love over bitterness. I see the quiet sacrifices nobody claps for. You move mountains in silence. Every time you forgive, every time you hope again, every time you get back up, heaven roars with joy. You are not random. You are not invisible. You are not broken beyond repair. You carry eternity inside your chest. You carry my breath inside your soul. You carry the light of the world. You are the answer to someone's prayer. You are the light someone has been searching for. Stand tall. Shine anyway. You fear the unknown, but the unknown is not unknown to me. I walk ahead of you. In the interviews, in the decisions, in the places you haven't even dreamed to stand. I have already prepared favor. You will not arrive empty-handed. You will arrive victorious. Trust the unfolding. Trust my timing. Trust my heart, even when you cannot see my hand. You think you are too late. You think you are too broken. You think you have wandered too far. Listen, my arms are longer than your failures. My mercy is deeper than your regrets. My love is faster than your doubts. You don't have to earn your way back. You only have to turn. I will meet you running. There will be days you dance in the sunlight. There will be days you weep in the shadows. But through them all, I will never leave your side. I walk you home. Every breath, every step, every tear, every triumph, you are carried. If these words stirred something inside you, know that it was never random. You are seen, you are loved, you are chosen. If this message touched your heart, like this moment, comment, Amen. Let your faith rise. Share this. Send hope into the world. Follow. Stay connected to this light that is calling you forward. I am closer than your breath, and I will never leave you.